is Ryan from Truxedo. We are to talk about the Truxedo Pro X15 cover. This cover was designed to function and feel just like our Truxedo LoPro, which has been an industry leader for a long time, close to 20 years here. So you can see when you open on the inside, has pretty much the same hardware on the underside as far as the header stops and latching system goes. And it does have that same tensioning system at the front as the LoPro has as well, that auto tensioner system, as well as our quick attach header guides. The tension screws at the front have 160 pounds of pressure you can put on there so that it keeps it tight in all weather conditions, hot or cold. This also uses the same fabric as what we see on our Sentry CT. It's very easy to clean. It stays a lot cleaner in the dirt and the dust. Doesn't show it near as much. Does well for water as well. No conditioner or cleaner needed for this as well, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. You're looking at a retail price of about $534.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.